Where is Mona? She's long gone. Where is Mary? She's taken her along. They haven't put their mittens on, and there's 15 feet of pure white snow. Where is Michael? Where is Mark? Where is Matthew? Now it's getting dark. Where is John? They're all out back under 15 feet of pure white snow. Would you please put down that telephone? We're on 15 feet of pure white snow. I waved to my neighbor waved to me. But my neighbor is my enemy. I kept waving my arms till I could not see under 15 feet of pure white snow. Is there anybody who feels this low? We're under 15 feet of pure white snow. Is there anybody out there, please? It's too quiet in here and I'm beginning to freeze. I got icicles hanging from my knees under 15 feet of pure white snow. Is there anybody who doesn't know we're under 15 feet of pure white snow? Raise your hands up to the sky. Raise your hands up to the sky. Raise your hands up to the sky. Is it any wonder? Oh my Lord, na 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 na. 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 Oh my Lord. Doctor, doctor, I'm going mad. This is the worst day I've ever had. I can't remember ever feeling this bad under 15 feet of pure white snow. Where's my nurse? I need some healing. I've been paralyzed by this lack of feeling. I can't even find anything worth stealing.